All right, today I have a Toyota Avalon, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, if you like my content, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so now let's get started. So as you can see, I'm behind the steering wheel. All right, now first thing I'm going to do is make sure the vehicle is in park. It is in park, as you can see. And then I am going to look towards the pedals. All right, you see the pedals down here? There's pedals down here, but then there's a pedal all the way to the left. Let me zoom in so you can see it. You see where it says push on, off? That is the parking brake, or the e-brake, or some people call it the emergency brake. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot and I'm going to press this all the way down to turn it on. All right, so I'm going to take my foot, press it down, all right, and then come up and look at the instrument panel. Do you see that right there? It says brake. The brake is been applied right there. Now to turn it off, I'm simply going to come back out and then go back down and look. Really can't see where it is right here, but the pedal's down there. I'm going to take my foot, put it back on that particular pedal, press it in, and then release, and it comes back up. Do you see it? It's released. And if you look up on the instrument panel, it is no longer engaged. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.